Pocket App 101. Pocket App download Windows 10. Pocket App is an app that lets you save articles, videos, and other web content that you find interesting and want to read or watch later. You can also access your saved content on any device, even when you are offline. Pocket App also gives you personalized recommendations based on your interests and preferences. To use Pocket App, you need to create a free account and install the app on your devices. You can also install the Pocket browser extension on Firefox, Chrome, Safari, or Edge to save content from any website with one click. You can also save content from other apps, such as Twitter, Flipboard, or Feedly, by using the Share option and choosing Pocket. When you open Pocket App, you can see your saved content in a list or grid view. You can also sort, filter, tag, archive, or delete your content. You can also customize your reading or watching experience by changing the font, text size, theme, or brightness. You can also listen to your articles with the text-to-speech feature. Pocket App also has a premium version that offers more features, such as permanent library. This feature saves a copy of your content in case the original source is deleted or changed. Advanced search. This feature lets you search your content by title, URL, author, tag, or keyword. Suggested tags. This feature helps you organize your content by suggesting relevant tags based on the content and your previous tags. Ad-free experience. This feature removes all the ads and sponsored content from Pocket App. Pocket App is a useful and convenient way to save and enjoy web content at your own pace.